Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to add yourself to any photo on Snapseed. So let's start. Now go to your Snapseed app and then select an image. You can make adjustments by tapping this Tools tab. Now tap again on Tools tab and then select Double Exposure. Now click this Add Picture icon at the bottom. Now select the photo that you want to add. Now click on this icon to see the image. Now I just adjust the subject to fit in the background. After that, just click on this icon at the top. And then click on View Edits. Now click on Double Exposure. And then click on Paperbrush icon. Now just brush the subject that you want to add to the background. You want to be careful on this process. Just be careful to brush the edges of the subject. So right here, I didn't brush the edges, so you can see what will happen. So be careful to brush the edges so it will look natural. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.